Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and the wiring diagram for the coolant temperature sensor 1 and coolant temperature sensor 2 on Audi A4 A5 B8 with a 2.7 TDI engine and 3 liters TDI engine. Before showing you the location on the engine, first I'm going to go into the service manual and look at the wiring diagrams. In the service manual, I'm going to select the car, select the engine, and then show you the wiring diagram and the component location. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So here we're going to type in the search tab coolant temperature sensor and we'll see where the location of the two sensors are. So here on the left there is a photo of what the coolant temperature sensor looks like. It's number 6 in the component locations, which is somewhere underneath this air intake hose on the rear of the engine. Next, we're going to check the coolant temperature sensor 2. It's located on the front of the engine, somewhere over there, probably under, again, the air intake pipe, but which is on the front. Next, to check the wiring diagrams for the two sensors. So coolant temperature sensor 1 is the one over there illuminated in blue. We can see there is two wires going to it. One of them is brown gray and the other one is black and violet. They are going to the engine control module. Next, we'll check the wiring diagram for coolant temperature sensor 2. It's located B24 right there. Again, two wires going to it. One of them is brown gray and the other one is blue violet. The blue violet wire is shared by the two temperature sensors, and both of the wires of the second temperature sensors are going again to the engine control module. Next, we'll show you the location of the two coolant temperature sensors on the car. Coolant temperature sensor 1 is located underneath this air intake hose on the rear of the engine. It's located right there in the hole. In order to get to it, you need to remove this air intake hose, and there will be enough space to be able to remove it. This is the electrical connector for it, and it has two wires. Next, I'll show you the location of coolant temperature sensor 2. This sensor is located on the front of the engine, somewhere over there underneath. We can't actually see it because it's buried in other parts of the car, but this is the wires that are going to it. And in order to get to that sensor, you need to remove this air intake pipe, and then you have access to the second coolant temperature sensor. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.